we have spent a total of 532 million Kenya shillings on this Talanta Hela initiative to undertake the following activities. One is the national, and this all has been spent under the umbrella of the Kenya Academy of Sports. And we've done the National Talent Camp. We've also, in this talent camp, we have a total of 5 sports talent camps that were conducted, which attracted over 2,500 participants, mainly the youth, in over 10 sports disciplines like football, volleyball, rugby, basketball, deaf basketball, tennis, table tennis, hockey, netball, and chess. So, Chair, that really gives you a picture of how much the ministry has been able to spend in developing talent. And as we go ahead, you will realize how that talent has transformed the sporting activities in this country.